Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In this lecture, we will talk about the dative covalent or coordinate covalent bond. In the previous lecture, I have discussed the ionic bond and the formation of ionic bond in the sodium chloride, as well as I have also discussed with you the covalent bond, the types of covalent bond that is formed. The ionic bond was formed from the complete transfer of electron. The covalent bond was forming between two atoms by the sharing of electron. Now let's talk about the dative bond or coordinate covalent bond. Now what is a coordinate covalent bond? Coordinate covalent bond or dative bond is a type of covalent bond in which the bond pair of electrons, what are bond pair of electrons which take part in the bond formation, is donated by one bonded atom only. It means only one bonding atom is donating the pair of electrons. It means both are not sharing the electrons, but only one is donating the bond pair of electrons. Now in the coordinate covalent bond, usually two types of atom we are going to study in the coordinate covalent bonds. One are called the donor atoms and the second one is called the acceptor atoms. Now what is the meaning of donor? Donor means to donate. To donate what? To donate electrons. So what are donor atoms? Donor atoms are those atoms which donate the electron pair. Because in the coordinate covalent bond, one atom is going to donate the electrons, and that atom which donate that electrons is called the donor atom, and there is a second atom which is going to accept that bond pair. So those atoms which accept the electron pair is called the acceptor atoms. And the coordinate covalent bond is also always represented by an arrow. A small arrow is usually used to indicate the coordinate covalent bond, and this arrow, the arrowhead is towards the acceptor. The arrow is pointing from the donor to the acceptor atom, and its head is toward the acceptor atom, tail is towards the donor atom. Clear? Now let's talk about an example of the coordinate covalent bond formation. So look at here, the formation of ammonium radical or the formation of ammonium ion. Look at here, the electron pair available on nitrogen in ammonia molecule is called lone pair of electron. I have told you in the previous lecture about the lone pair of electron and the bond pair of electron. Now look at the molecule of ammonia, NH3. This molecule, and as you all know, nitrogen is 5 electrons in its outermost shell. It is sharing 3 electrons with the 3 hydrogen atom in this molecule, and it has one lone pair of electron which is not taking part in this bond formation. So look at the hydrogen ion. Now this hydrogen ion has no electron in its outermost shell. It needs 2 electrons to complete its outermost shell. So ammonia will do what? From the ammonia, this nitrogen will donate its lone pair to the hydrogen, and hydrogen will accept that lone pair. Now here is an arrow. Look at here, here is an arrow. This arrow is showing you the formation of coordinate covalent bond. That arrow head is towards the acceptor atom. Hydrogen in that case is the acceptor atom, and nitrogen in that case is the donor atom, because nitrogen is donating the electron to the hydrogen atom, and we are obtaining what? We are obtaining an ammonium ion. Look at here, that is the ammonium ion. Or you can also draw a structure like this, that in the middle you can draw nitrogen, then here on the 4 sides you can draw the hydrogen and show it a coordinate covalent bond and a positive charge here. On the whole of the complex here will be a positive charge because there is a positive charge on the hydrogen atom. Now look at in the formation of ammonium ion, the nitrogen of ammonia is the donor atom. Why? Because nitrogen is donating its electron, while the hydrogen ion is the acceptor atom, because hydrogen is accepting that electrons. Look at the second example. the formation of coordinate covalent bond between ammonia and boron trifluoride. In the formation of a coordinate covalent bond between boron trifluoride and ammonia, what happens? Boron is from group 3. It is sharing 3 electrons with the fluorine atom. The total 6 electrons. Now boron need 2 electrons to complete its valence shell, so ammonia will do what? Nitrogen will donate its 2 electron to the boron trifluoride, and a coordinate covalent bond is formed between the NH3 and BF3. Now in that very case, look at here, which one is the donor atom? A donor atom is that atom which is donating the electron. So in that case, ammonia is the donor atom because it is donating the electrons to what? To boron trifluoride. And in that case, which one is the acceptor atom? So look at here, which one is the acceptor atom? So in that case, the boron trifluoride is the acceptor atom. A boron actually is the acceptor atom because it is accepting the electrons. So always remember, in the coordinate covalent bond formation, there are two types of atom involved. One is the donor atom and other is the acceptor atom. The donor atom is that atom which is donating the electron, just like the nitrogen of ammonia, and acceptor atom is that atom which is accepting the electrons from the donor atom, just like the boron in the boron trifluoride. I think it is enough for today. Thank you, students.